Hey guys, welcome to your 5th Java tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be working on getting user input. Go to File, New, Java Project. Type Java, Lesson 5. Hit OK. In our project we need to add our package. Dude, seriously. No. We need to add our package, name it com.devclub.lesson5. Hit OK. Now add your package and add your class and name it main, and hit OK. In order to get user input, we have to import a library. Think about going to the library. You don't want to check out all the books for that knowledge and know how to do something if you want to learn how to do something, and so you take only certain books home. Importing libraries is essentially like taking a book out. Type import and then type java.util.scanner, and we've imported the scanner object. Now in order to use this, we have to start building our Java program. So let's start with our main method. Our main method, public static void main string capital S args, and within this we need to create the object. So scanner scan equals new, and then scanner again system dot in. Make sure it's equal, and now we're going to ask a user a question. So we're going to say system.out.println. I am going to add up two numbers for you. What is the first number? We're going to say, give ourselves two integers, num1 and num2, and we're going to say num1 equals scan.next int. What this is doing is it's waiting for an integer number to be placed inside of it. I'll show you guys some things you can do with this when we go to run our code. So let's do another system out. What is the second number? Then we're going to say num2 equals scan.nextInt, and we're going to say int num3 equals num1 plus num2, and then we're going to do system.out.println, and we're going to say num1 and then give yourself a plus sign inside, so it's going to show a space on either side. Num2. Then we're going to give ourselves an equal sign, and then attach num3 on the back. When we run this code, it'll show these two system.out, and then it'll show us what the number looks like. What is my first number? My first number is 6. What is my second number? That's going to be 9. 6 plus 9 equals 15. Alright guys, let's say we put double values in here. So I put 1.5. It's going to throw an exception. The reason why is if we look in our code right here, it's looking for an integer. I didn't put in an integer, I put in a decimal value. In order to detect a decimal value, let's change these to doubles. And what we're going to do is we're going to change this to be next double. If you look, if you click next to the word next and hit Control Space, you'll see all the options that you'll have in order to read in. So you can use all these data types. Alright guys, so next double. And now, extra parentheses, now we're going to run it. I'm going to say 6.3322. And then my second number is going to be 8. And that is what it equals. Alright guys, that's just some really simple user input. We're going to apply this in future situations, so in our next tutorial we're going to be working with the switch statement. I'll see you guys then.